Alright guys, what we're about to do, we're finna swap out an unmanaged switch. It's a Netgear model. As you see, we're finna swap it out, unmanaged switch. And on top you see this a router, we have a storage device, and this is just simply not being used. And as you see, man, whoever the network support tech was, they did an awful job making sure everything was clean and organized so we can be able to locate where the wires are going per room, per destination, per device, right? So, like I said, it's unmanaged, meaning it's like a plug and play device. You just plug it in and it auto configures, so you don't have to do anything. It doesn't have a management user interface, so where you can make changes and customize it the way you want to, such as making VLANs and prioritizing certain resources over the other. And that can act as a limitation depending on the size of the business and depending on what the workload you have concerning the volume of data traffic that's transferring to and from, right? So we want to unplug, power off. And we're doing this during off hours because if you do this during operation hours, it'll disrupt the whole network and you'll have a lot of people upset about not receiving internet and not being able to use their IoT devices and sensors and whatever else they may have attached to these devices. So one advantage to using this managed switch is that it has a feature called Auto MDI, which represents medium dependent interface. And this feature allows the network device to detect if the cable is being connected via crossover or straight through, which is a particular way that data transferred and configured to be, transmission between devices, whether it's a router, whether it's a computer, whether it's another switch or a hub, and etc. So with that being said, we don't have to worry about, setting up the switch a certain way or making sure the cables are, configured a certain way, because the switch will automatically detect what type of cable it is. One thing very important that we should always do whenever we're swapping out hardware or making a configuration change in a network infrastructure or topology is ensuring that everything is still working, if not improved. In this sense or in this context, we want to verify that the end users within this building or this organization still have internet connectivity, and this will definitely be a sign that other devices are getting